Hello everyone, so today I want to talk about Supahands. Supahands. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Supahands. Hello everyone, so I just applied for a Supahands to be a Supahand agent. So this company is actually based in Malaysia. They offer a freelance job as well, and it actually depends on the availability. You can be a data analyst, or you can do tagging or verification or things like that. It's on their website. I will leave the link below on how you can apply. And I just got in. I just finished the test just now, and I just got in. So I finished the application. Mode of how I'm gonna get paid. It can be through PayPal as well, or if you're in Philippines, you can actually type in your bank account in Philippines, because that's also allowed. So it's not just available in Philippines. You can be from anywhere. You can be in Singapore, Malaysia, or anywhere else. Yeah, America. Yeah. Yeah. So I don't know. I think I've mentioned to you in my past few videos that I just recently I recently just became an analyst in QA world. But I'm becoming a bit disappointed, because until now there aren't any calls to evaluate, and I don't know, I feel so unproductive just waiting and just refreshing my page, waiting for a call to be ready. And by right, you have to be a fast clicker so that you can get that call, because there's like what I've mentioned in my previous vlog, there is a lot of us in QA world. That is understandable, but since it's 2020, I want to like make use of my time doing, earning make use of my time earning at home. So if you guys want to try it out, it's very easy. Just click on the link on the description box below, and then it will bring you to this test. And then even if you fail the first time, you can just keep on retrying. It's okay until you pass. Yeah. So I actually did that. I failed the first time, passed the second time. So it's okay. So that's it. That's actually what I did for the past 15 minutes. So I'm just sharing it with all of you. And if you want me to actually know more about Supahands, if you're already an agent there, or if you're already working there, please do leave a comment below. I don't know what I'm gonna expect. I have no idea, because I just found out about Supahands in one of the vloggers as well. So I just went and try it out. So thank you so much for watching this very short video, and of course I will give you an update once I started working at Supahands, because right now I am not starting yet. I just got in. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed your holiday. Do subscribe on my channel.